Hi everyone, my name is Tree and I am a person behind Tree Dang channel. On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane. Let's take a look at the paper airplane. The paper airplane is a new fighter and it flies very well indoor. It has two stabilizers on the back and one on the top. The paper airplanes look very cool and it looks complicated, but in fact it is very easy to make. Let me show you guys how to make it now. To make the new fighter, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. Now let me show you guys how to make it. The first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then unfold the paper. Now start from this edge, estimate about 1 inch or 2 centimeters, and then fold out. You can use the edge, both edges, and the center crease as your preference to fold this. You can adjust it if it's not placed. Now let's adjust it a little bit so that it will look nice. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Now let me flip the paper over first and then redo that step. Let's start from this edge first, fold it to the center crease, and then this side. Let me adjust it. Now, let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease, and then repeat the same fold for the opposite edge. Yes. Now, let's flip the paper over. Actually, now let's start from this edge. Estimate about a quarter of an inch or 1 centimeter. So I will fold up a little bit, just a little bit like this. And then I flip the paper over and I can see this edge and the other edge. I use both edges as a preference to fold this side up. Now I can create these stabilizers. Alright, so from this side first, I will match the edge to the other edge on the bottom to create a stabilizer. So just fold it like this, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Just fold straight. Can make it a little bit larger. Okay, so I just finished the stabilizers. Now let me flip the paper over, and I'll use this intersection. Imagine that you have a line right here and the line right here, and it's crossed somewhere at the center crease. Let's fold down. Let me turn the paper this way, and I'll fold down. Fold down a little bit more, and then I'll fold this layer up. I was estimate about, along this, like about half an inch. Make a mark and fold it up. Okay, and then I start from this corner. I fold straight to this line. This line. And I can adjust the size here a little bit so that the wings will look nice. And now I repeat the same fold for the other side, but before I fold the other side, I'll fold the paper in half first. I'll fold the paper in half first. Let me push this one back to it, and then I'll fold it in half. Fold the paper in half. Let's hold this. So fold the paper in half for now. Yes. Let me fix this part too. Alright. So while you fold it in half, you can pull the top up. You can see the tip here, but it's not necessary to be folded right now. Let's fold it down like this. Okay, and on the following step, I will start from the edge upward to the bottom edge. To create the wings. And then I repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright, so this is what we should have for now. And now you can see this edge. You can use this edge as a reference, right? You can fold the other side along with the edge here. Alright, so just fold this. Now you have a preference. On the following step, you can open this part up and then insert this down. So this is what you should have. Let's fix the top as well. Let me fix this side too. Alright, and then I flip the paper over. Now we have the stabilizer. Just fold it up. Make sure that you make a fold up, and it should be parallel with the center crease. Same thing for this. Let me pull it up, and then on the top I can make another stabilizer. I'll push both sides to the center. And here you go. This is a new cool paper airplane. You can test it out. If the plane flies well for you, don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Okay guys, now test out the paper airplane. This plane will fly for sure, but it's not a long distance paper airplane, so don't expect it will fly very far. Now let's hold the paper airplane at the center of the plane and throw it up high. Whatever you want, you can throw it very high or very low, so just test it out. Very good paper airplane, not a long distance plane for sure. It can fly for a short distance and medium. Okay, just you see through it. Alright guys, so this is the test flight of the new paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy flying it. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe to 3 paper planes and all my channels if you want to. Alright, see you next time. Bye. Ooh. One more time, just one more time. See you next time. Bye guys.